Alam mo ba na may batas na nare-require tayong gumamit ng child restraint system o car seat? At pag nahuli tayong hindi ito sinusunod, as much as 5,000 pesos ang pwedeng maging penalty. Good say! This is Chan of Chan Limited Life at today, pag-uusapan natin ang child car seat. Kailan ba tayo dapat gumamit ito? Ano ba ang mga features na nabili nating car seat? At paano ba ito ini-install? Lahat ng yan at marami pang iba. Pero bago natin simulan mga ka-Chanli, eto muna! RA 11229 or the Child Safety in Motor Vehicles Act provides special protection for child passengers in motor vehicles by requiring the use of child restraint systems in the Philippines. Yung mandatory use ng CRS ay para sa mga bata na 12 years old pababa with a height of 4 feet 11 inches o 150 centimeters and below. At in case mahuli kayong hindi nagko-comply sa child car seat law, eto yung penalties. First offense, 1,000 pesos. Second offense, 2,000 pesos. Third and succeeding offenses, 5,000 pesos and a 1-year suspension of driver's license. Medyo mabigat ang penalty, no? Anyway, bakit nga ba hindi pwedeng normal seatbelt na lang ang gamitin para sa mga bata? To answer, seatbelts do an outstanding job keeping adults restrained in a car crash. Pero, hindi ito as good at protecting kids kasi the belt doesn't fit right sa mga small kids. Yung shoulder belt ay sa chin ng bata kadalasan tumatama at yung lap belt naman ay sa stomach area. In a car crash, a seatbelt crossing a child's neck or abdomen can do serious damage to a child's vital organs. Ayaw natin yan. Kaya importante na tama ang sukat ng child restraint system na gagamitin. Yung child car seat na aangkop sa edad, bigat at taas ng bata. Pero, ano nga ba ang child car seat? A child safety seat, sometimes called an infant safety seat, child restraint system, child seat, baby seat, car seat or a booster seat, is a seat designed specifically to protect children from injury or death during vehicle collisions. Special seat ito sa mga bata that can be attached to an automobile seat that will hold the child safely. Akiva Rota 360 ISOFIX car seat ang binili natin kasi pasok ito sa sinet nating specs at budget. Rota 360 car seat is suitable for groups 0 to 3 o 0 to 36 kg na bata. With a 6-level adjustable headrest and a side impact protection system, this car seat from Akiva is good for short and long drive. The Rota 360 seat and ISOFIX ensure easy installation, plus the heavy-duty frame, reclining feature, and 5-point harness belt provide maximum safety sa ating most important passenger. It allows both front and rear facing position with super thick padding for ultimate protection ng ating little one. The ergonomic base with washable seat cover and compliance with ECE R440 standards make it a secure and comfortable choice. In a bit, ipapakita natin yung installation at navigation video ng Akiva Rota 360 car seat. Before we continue, kung may questions, suggestions, or clarifications kayo tungkol sa content natin today, pakipost lang sa comment section ng video na to. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang mag-like, subscribe at i-click ang bell icon sa ating Chan Limited Life YouTube channel, TikTok at Facebook page para updated ka palagi sa mga fresh contents natin. Child car seat installation via ISOFIX. First, look for ISOFIX logo and metal anchors in the rear seat. Take note na rear seat dapat, hindi pwede sa tabi ng driver, delikado, lalo na kung may active passenger airbag. Anyway, once malocate ang ISOFIX logo, malapit na lang doon ang metal anchors. Merong upuan na nakalabas ang anchors at meron din namang nasa ilalim, need pang kapain, tulad nung gamit kong kotse na Honda City na kailangan pang kapain. Second, find the lever at the bottom rear end of the child seat to pull the attachment arms. Isagad mo lang ng gusto ang arm ng car seat. Anyway, gumamit nga pala ako ng ISOFIX connector para mas madali ang pagkabit. Kasama na yung connector doon sa nabili kong car seat. Pwede rin ng mga recta salpak kaso baka mas lalong masira ang seat cover. Nga pala, expect na mawawala ng konti sa forma ang seat cover malapit sa anchor once maikabit ang car seat. Third, align those arms to the metal anchors at the bottom of the car seat's backrest and push it until it clicks. For me, mas madaling itulak pag may connector kasi mas natatansya natin ang alignment. Anyway, Tingnan mo lang yung indicator if nagkulay green na. Ibig sabihin, the car seat is already attached correctly. Kung kulay red pa rin, try mo lang ulit i-align at itulak hanggang mag-green both sides. Lastly, once the child seat is firmly pushed to the rear seat, hanapin mo lang yung top tether anchors ng kotse, tas attach the top tether belt. Pag okay na, alugin mo lang ng konti to check if it's really attached firmly. Reminder nga pala na huwag aalisin ang PS mark, ang ICC sticker o LTO clearance ng car seat kasi pwede kayo ma-penalize in case may mag-check na enforcer. Kailan ba rear-facing at forward-facing ang car seat? Initially, rear-facing ang car seat until the baby reaches a top height or weight limit allowed by the car seat's manufacturer. Usually, hanggang 1 year yung limit. Pero, once the child outgrows the rear-facing car seat, pwede na mag-forward-facing. Dahil pwedeng i-rotate ang 360 degrees yung binili nating car seat, napakadali lang i-navigate para ma-forward-facing o rear-facing. Unlike other models, hindi na kailangan reinstall ang car seat. Just press this button sa base ng car seat, tas pwede nang ikutin yung car seat ng ganito. Kaso wala siyang lock other than the rear or forward facing pero hindi naman siya basta-basta gumagalaw in case ilalagay o iaalis si baby sa ganitong posisyon. Truly, napakadali at flexible pag 360 ang car seat mo. Hindi mahihirapan ng parent. Also, pwede rin i-tilt o i-recline yung car seat para mas komportable ang bata. Just pull this lever to recline. To tighten or loosen yung harness belt ni baby, kapain mo lang yung button tas pull the harness to achieve the desired tightness. Akiva Rota 360 Isofix car seat is a convenient yet practical choice para sa mga naghahanap ng reasonably priced mid-spec child car seat. 9,400 pesos ko nabili ang Akiva Rota 360. Yung equivalent model nito to other popular brands ay almost 20,000 pesos ang presyo. It's a costly investment for the most precious cargo ng kotse. Anyway, if you're shopping for a car seat, remember these 3 important tips. First, buy only yung may PS mark o ICC sticker at pasado sa international safety standard. Safety dapat ang priority natin sa pagpili ng car seat. Second, as much as possible, purchase before paipanganak si baby para masanay ang bata na nakaupo sa car seat at hindi mahirapan ng parent pa naglilikot na ito sa loob. And lastly, buy yung pinakamahal na car seat na kaya ng budget mo. Kung afford mo ang 30 o 40k, go lang. Hindi lang naman car seat ang binibili mo rito, safety, convenience, and peace of mind din. Ayun lang! I hope na nakatulong itong video na to. Thank you for watching this content. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating Siya Limited Life YouTube channel and follow my Facebook and TikTok accounts for more related contents. Hanggang sa susunod mga ka-Chanli! Drive safely! Ingat!